Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Okay children, already we saw the story of Minty and Bunty, no? Yeah, very good. The same Minty and Bunty are conversing. Children, now see the picture dears. Conservation of water. A few days after, Minty and Bunty spoke. Bunty had some sad news. Shall we see now? Okay children, listen. Hi Bunty. Hi Minty. Bunty? Why are you looking so sad, Bunty? What happened? Minty, my family is leaving Happy Lake. Oh no! Why, Bunty? What happened? Minty, my father says that the people of the village do not take care of the lake properly. Oh, really? Yes, Minty. My father says that they do not take good care of water. They waste it. They throw rubbish in the water and dirty it. They bath and washing clothes and let the dirty water flows back into the lake. The lake water carries dirt and germs. Drinking dirty water makes people and animals sick. Even plants and trees also affected too, Minty. That's why. Oh, so sad. Children, see the picture. So see the condition of the dirty water in the village. Is this a healthy one? Is this a healthy one, children? Yeah, obviously not right. Yes, children. So, what we have to do? What we have to do? So, we should always take care of our surroundings. Okay? Children, you know something? A place is for everything and everything is its place. What it means? So, if it is a river, we should do the activity which is good for it. Which is good for it. We should not put waste garbages, dirty clothes and waste water into it. That is a place only for water, not for the waste things. We should always conserve and save water without polluting its nature. So, children, what we can do in our day-to-day life? When you are visiting dam, beach and anywhere else, you should not throw out the waste items into the water bodies. Okay? So, if your family members are doing also, you have to educate them about the conservation of water and not to pollute. If you are throwing a waste plastics and unwanted things into the water body, the organism, see the picture, the organism which lives inside and outside the water, if it consumes that, it may lead the affect the lives. So, don't pollute the water. Be a responsible children and make other also responsible of these not aware of it. Okay children, I hope everyone understood this concept. Our responsibility, be a responsible children and make other responsible if this not aware of it. Okay? Okay dear, very good. Shall we move to the next one? Okay children, see, take page number 56 in your EVS studio. Quickly take page number 56 in your EVS studio. Very good. Okay children, shall we do this activity? Yeah. See the Roman. Do you take care of water? Write yes. If you do the following, write no. If you do not, okay. Do you take care of water? Write yes. If you do the following, write no. If you do not. Shall we do this activity? Okay, children. See the first one. See the first one. What it is? What they have given here? I leave the tap open when I brush my teeth. I leave the tap open when I brush my teeth. Which one is the correct answer? Yes or no? Very good. No. Okay. So children, so what you will do? If your answer is yes, it is not at all good habit. Okay, you have to rectify it. You should not leave the tap open when you are brushing your teeth. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Second one. See the second one, dears. When I take the bath, I do not close the tap even after the bucket is full. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, very good. No. Okay. So, if you are taking a bath, you close the tap. Okay, after the bucket is full, you have to close the tap. So, when I take a bath, I do not close the tap. Even after the bucket is full, the answer is no. Okay. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Third one. I would prefer to use a hose to clean my cycle rather than a bucket of water. Which one is the correct answer? I would prefer to use a hose to clean my cycle rather than a bucket of water. Yeah, obviously the answer is no. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Fourth one. At school, I leave the tap open after I wash my hand. At school, I leave the tap open even after I wash my hands. Which one is the correct answer? Very good. No. No is the correct answer. Shall we move to the next one? Fifth one. I throw plastic covers in a lake, pond and sea. Is it correct? Is it correct, dears? No. Okay, the answer is no. I throw plastic covers in a lake and pond or sea is a no. Okay, children. See here. How many of you question you have said yes? You have to write it here. How many of you questions you have to write no? Okay, you have said no. You have to write it here. Okay, number of yes, number of no. Okay dear, how many questions you have said yes, you have to write it here. How many of you no you have said write it here, dears. Okay, so I hope everyone done this activity successfully. Clap at yourself, clap, clap, clap. Very good, super children. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Okay children, very good. Now it's a time for companion activity. Okay, take your companion book in EVS companion book, page number 11 and 4A. Okay, shall I read the Roman? Ask a doctor about diseases that may be caused by dirty water. Fill a few in the blanks. Okay, children, listen very carefully. Ask a doctor about diseases that may be caused by dirty water. Fill a few in the blanks. Children, if suppose doctor is not available, you can ask your parents or grandparents about these diseases and fill it 3 blanks. Okay, and fill it 3 blanks. And complete as a home task with the help of your parents. Okay, with the help of your parent. Have you fallen ill recently? Circle your response. If it is yes mean, you have to circle yes. If it is no mean, you have to circle it no. Okay. Next one, was it because of unclean water? Was it because of unclean water? Check with your parents. So, children, you can write your views with the help of your parents. Okay, complete this activity with the help of your parents. This is your home task 4A, companion 4A. Okay, children, I hope everyone enjoy this session. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, eat healthy food, avoid junk food, drink plenty of water, children, especially hot water. Okay, use restroom often. Thank you, children. Thank you so much.